From their practicality to their off-road capabilities, pickup trucks are America's most popular segment for a reason. One of the defining things about our homeland is the popularity of pickup trucks compared to other countries, especially in Europe and Asia. This love for pickup trucks is not just a perception, but a fact backed up by real sales numbers. According to Kelley Blue Book, full-size trucks made up 15% of the sales in 2017, while the top 3 spots for the most vehicles sold here in 2017 are occupied by trucks. At position 3 is the Ram with 500,723 cars sold, at position 2 is the Chevrolet Silverado with 585,564 units sold, and at the top position with a considerable margin is the Ford F-Series with 896,764 units sold. More important still is the fact that each of these pickup trucks all recorded growth in sales from the previous year, while other car segments recorded dips in sales. Of the millions buying pickup trucks, a good number are men. Though many of them have yet to appreciate its essential role, there is no doubt any man could benefit from having a pickup truck parked in the driveway. They're the backbone of construction. The modern world relies on infrastructure. A large part of that construction takes place thanks to some handy trucks. Being a part of a growing neighborhood, business, or even park can be deeply satisfying, and the pickup is at the center of it all. Pickups offer the perfect platform for workers to transport people and materials across sites. The utility isn't limited to just the workers, either. The pickup is a statement for the foreman as well. The big boss driving the big truck gets everyone's attention, and that type of power only comes from owning a pickup. Everyone's doing it. Throughout its existence, the F-Series has sold tens of millions of vehicles. In 2021, the most popular vehicle was the truck. In fact, the best-selling model in the world was the Ford F-150, with a mind-boggling 726,000 units sold. That isn't even including the F-250 or F-350 models. These sales figures blow away even the best sedans. Even the RAV4, the best-selling SUV in 2021, falls to the number 4 spot overall, with the top 3 models being pickup trucks. It seems that everyone has a truck nowadays. Why not you, too? You have too much money. New trucks like the Hyundai Santa Cruz and the Ford Maverick show the world that owning a pickup doesn't have to be expensive. On the other hand, most trucks fetch a pretty penny, and more models are pushing the boundaries of what's possible from a truck. Take the Ram 1500 TRX, for example. This monster can produce 702 horsepower from a massive Hemi-powered V8. As you would expect, the purchase price for one of these bad boys can stretch well past $100,000. So a great way to burn off some of that extra cash hanging around your bank account is to dump vast amounts of it into a performance-oriented pickup. The ultimate tool and toolbox. Men love tools and toys, and they do not come better or more complete than a pickup. A pickup completes your tool collection, providing storage and means to ferry your other tools quickly. In itself, it is the perfect tool to solve several problems. Whether you are looking for a farm workhorse or an instrument to ferry items at a construction site and anything in between, you can rely on your truck to complete it all with minimum fuss. All the tools you will need for the task can be accommodated in different capacities, something, not even an SUV, can provide. They are incredibly versatile. Having a truck offers plenty of flexibility, more than you would get in any other car. While your Toyota Camry will appear to be ideal for the usual routine trip to work and back, it would not even cross your mind for an adventure trip or camping outside town. Most sedans and small cars are not even fit for a shopping trip. Compared to a truck, you can get to the official shop a full market of produce and house needs. The pickup will be there more than ready for that cross-country trip and all off-road adventures you want to engage in all kinds of weather and all manner of road types with minimum fuss. Basically, if you had to get just one car, make it a truck. Customization options. Men love options, and one of the main advantages trucks offer is the range of customization opportunities provided. You are not limited to just one look, size, or accessory scope. Each carmaker has gone the extra length of ensuring each pickup series ranges from light to super heavy-duty trucks. Besides the size and volume capacity, you can choose accessories for further utility and comfort. You also have aftermarket options, and it is tough to go wrong with a truck, however extreme your needs or fancies are. There is just a whole world to deal with, from the tires to the front, interior to the bed. Adding more personality to your truck is more accessible than any other vehicle type. Luxury. Trucks have a reputation of having been utilitarian in the past. They primarily used to cater to the minimum needs with a bit of luxury. Even seating was limited to a single passenger, and all luxury elements were spared mainly for the driver. Going with your truck for a long ride was a test of endurance, but that is no longer the case. The seats are plush, and depending on the cabin body type, you can even get seating for 6 adult passengers comfortably while having ample space. Heated seats, air conditioning, satellite navigation, and quality surround systems are now standard in most trucks. Value for money. One major worry for all car buyers is the value they get from their car. As a person, getting the most for your money is a quality to build, and owning a truck provides you with that in multiple ways. Firstly, trucks are affordable in their base models, and even when you start racking up the options, each offers a distinct quality worth the money. More than that, you get a vehicle that can serve diverse needs at a cost that is a bargain compared to deals offered by SUVs, sedans, and compact cars. The perfect off-road machine. If you are a person who truly loves cars, then a trip on a muddy and uneven track or road is something you look forward to. The rough and tumble are where you can honestly tell if your machine will last and suit your demands. Even if you do not fancy terrain such as riverbeds, sand, mud, gravel, and other off-roading surfaces, necessity can still get you in such a situation. You want to be well prepared and not stuck with a sedan in snow or have to cancel your trips, especially with your family, because of the condition of the terrain. There is nothing as thrilling as beating the rough and tumble conditions nature can offer. To stand out from the crowd. A person should be able to stand out from the crowd in their own unique way, and in parking lots and roads filled with similar-looking SUVs and sedans, the pickup truck will always emerge on top. The bold, masculine looks, the broad frame, and thick tires command respect and earn attention. Unlike the attention-screaming supercars and sports cars, a truck offers a significant presence without drama. It is impossible to ignore it, and even if it is a light-duty truck, it still communicates the power underneath it like still waters, just what a man will want to convey. Resale value. More data from Kelley Blue Book shows there is more reason to get a pickup truck. They hold on to much of their value for longer than any other car. While market statistics show that, on average, a 2018 car model will only retain about 35.1% of its value 5 years down the line, pickups tend to hold on to almost half their value 5 years later with little further depreciation after that. For example, Toyota Tacoma, the truck with the best resale value, retains 69.6% of its value 5 years down the line, almost double the value of your average. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.